Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our nurses right here and to everyone watching us right now, no? Sa mga nag-aabang po na ating panibagong video here, welcome po sa ating FB live event. This is Rachel Ohastro, Marketing Specialist of Town Kids, and we are here right now with our guest nurse, Miss Madeline Peñales. Hello, Miss Mads.
Hello po. Good evening. Good morning po sa Philippines.
Yan, yes. Miss Mads, can you please tell us paano ka po nag-start kay Town Kids, ma'am? And please introduce yourself na rin po.
Hi, ako po nga pala si Madeline Penales. Nakilala ko si Town nung naghahanap talaga ako ng company or agency na based sa New Jersey. So ako talaga yung naghahanap ng New Jersey-based na work. Then August 2022, nakita ko si Town. And during that time, competitive yung rates na inoffer nila. So, sa kanila talaga ako nag-sign.
And by this time, ma'am, retrogression po ba? Or how
No,
fast, ma'am?
current. Current nung August 2022. So, all along, alam ko makakaalis ako ng 2023. So, come and behold, 2025 na kami nakaalis.
And you are with
Due to
your dependents,
retrogression.
ma'am, at the time.
Yes po. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, what were some moments during your application, ma'am, or your deployment process na pinakita ni Town Kids yung suporta all throughout your journey? What stood out to you?
Yung kumustahan talaga. Kasi sila yung nagre-reach out. Parang never ka nilang iniwan. Sila talaga yung very present na andyan lagi to update, to give support. May online lectures din. Then meron din silang mga stamps, like TK stamps. Like if you attend yung mga activities, you're gonna get a stamp. Then when you complete the 5, then you're gonna get free medical. So nakakuha ko nun. So, big help yun sa journey.
So, syempre, ma'am, no, in that moments, there are also journey, ma'am, or there are also moments, ma'am, that comes with challenges, ma'am. And may we know, are there experiences, ma'am, na nahirapan ka, and how did Town help you with that?
Number one is retrogression talaga. Kasi kung iisipin mo, right, 2023, ready to go. You're so ready to go. And then, like, nakompleto yung documents ko is April 2023. Then, May 2023, retrogression. So, ganun yung feeling na, baka hindi to meant for me. Baka pang Philippines lang ako. Baka parang hindi ako pang US. Pero nung nag-move na siya, parang sobrang exciting. Sobrang parang nilook forward mo na siya ulit na eto na yun, eto na yun, eto na. This is it. Talagang makakaalis na rin kami sa wakas after 3 years.
And in your experiences, ma'am, how important is it for nurses to partner with a company, ma'am, na talagang pinaprioritize yung deployment, no, yung long-term support, transparency with the process?
Sobrang importante nun kasi kailangan mag-build ng trust between the employer and the employee. Yun talaga yung number one. And doon hindi kami talaga binigo ni Town. So, lahat ng needs namin, nakasupport sila. And then, kung may questions kami, they are willing to answer. Then, lahat ng uh, kailangan naming malaman, hindi pa namin tinatanong, binibigay na nila. So, very helpful yun.
So, with this, ma'am, no, para po sa mga nurses ngayon na nanonood ngayon, ma'am, what do you think are qualities that they should look for when choosing the right company, the right agency, ma'am, to partner for their international deployment?
Sa mga naghahanap talaga ng work, transparency talaga yung kailangang hanapin. Like, yung willing na ipa-review sa'yo yung contract before ka mag-sign. Yun talaga, hindi yung gulatan. Yung kapag aalis ka na saka na lang pipirma na, ay, ganito pala. Wala na akong, nagawa ko na lahat. Na-process ko na everything. Tapos biglang, ha, ganito? Bakit ganito? So, yun, kung at the very beginning, may contract agad na ipapakita. So, it's really up to you kung paano mo siya i-review, kung okay ba siya sa ano mo, sa mga needs mo, kung pasado ba siya sa'yo. Kahit, alam ko, meron parang one applicant na talagang binusisi niya every paragraph of the contract and then very willing si Town na answer lahat ng questions niya regarding dun sa contract. So, yun, transparency talaga yung kailangan. Saka, kailangan proven yung ano nila, yung kanilang track record. Like, with Town, may mga nag 3 years na, may going 4. So, they're a baby company that's beginning pa lang. So, marami pa rin talagang mga challenges. Pero, lahat ginagawa naman nila ng paraan.
Mhm. And right now, ma'am, can you talk with us, ma'am, with regards to your training, ma'am? How did Town Kids help prepare you for your transition, ma'am, here from the Philippines now that you're working in the US?
Sa training, ang dami ngang training eh. Kasi may 1 month na pediatric online training. Then meron pang every now and then may mga online trainings din with the nurses din na as instructors, meron din ganon. Tapos may simulation lab before the flight. And then upon arrival, meron ulit training na 1 week. Para syempre iba pa din yung mga gamit na hindi mo talaga usual na ginagamit sa Philippines na gagamitin mo dito sa US eh. Syempre parang nakakakaba na ha, paano to? Like may mga like example G-tube. Sa Philippines wala naman masyadong nag-G-tube. Then dito parang most of the cases G-tube yung ano, yung gagamitin. So dito tuturuan ka talaga nila para hindi ka kabado kapag nag-start ka mag duty and para sa'yo din, para sa i-growth mo na, ay, may bago akong skill na natutunan. So, very thankful pa ang mga nurses katulad ko doon para kay Town.
Mhm. So talagang na-prepare kayo, ma'am, no? Talagang
Super
wala po kayo. Hindi
prepared.
po gulatan nung nandiyan na kayo sa US.
Walang gulatan.
Mm. And
Kasi
mm,
tinatanong din nila kung may experience ka or wala. So, kung wala kang experience, syempre, mas ikaw yung tututukan nila. Saka
mm,
hindi ka naman nila dadalhin sa sobrang daming gamit na hindi mo pa naman alam kung paano mo paaandarin or paano mag-work. So, yun. Hand in
mm.
hand with the coordinators din.
So, nabanggit mo, ma'am, no? Follow-up question lang. Since you mentioned, ma'am, na tinatanong po ni Town if you have an experience or not. In your case, ma'am, did you have a bedside experience bago po kayo kay Town Kids?
Meron ako. Pero matagal na. Parang 2010 to
Mm.
2011 pa yung hospital ko.
Last, no? And then
So,
2022 kayo na gano'n, ma'am, no?
2022. So, matagal na siya talaga. And
Mm.
parang it's nice lang na na-refresh kami dun sa mga, dati na rin naman naming alam. Pero may mga bago kaming natutunan along the way. So, that's nice.
Mhm. And with this, ma'am, siguro my next question would be for the nurses out there na doubtful. Kasi nga, ayun, ang tagal na ng gap, no? Ng last hospital experience nila. Or even those sa mga nurses na wala pa pong experience at all. So we all know naman na si Town Kids, we accept even without experience talaga, ma'am. Ma'am, do you have any message or advice sa mga nurses na, ay, parang hesitant kumbaga, "Ay ayoko kay Town,
Mm.
tama ba 'yan kapag kay Town ako? Talaga bang maga-guide ako ni Town?" What can you tell them po?
Para sa mga nurses, huwag kayong matakot kasi hindi kayo pababayaan ni Town. Talagang dadalhin nila kayo sa patient kung saan ka-align yung skills mo. Kung hindi ka talaga comfortable, pwede ka naman mag-request na in a polite manner na I think this is not for me. The
Mm.
skill set is not aligned with my skill set. So, bibigyan ka nila ng ibang patient. Pero hindi ka nila pipilitin na, hindi, dito ka lang, hindi ka pwede pumunta sa ibang pasyente. No, hindi sila ganun. Parang talagang kung saan ka comfortable, dun ka nila dadalhin. With the skills, nurses, alam ko, alam nyo na yun. Parang you just need to refresh. And then pag nandun na, parang lalabas na yung skill nyo. Kasi I think nursing is a passion. So kahit saan ka dalhin, ay natutunan mo na yan eh. Parang i-refresh mo na lang talaga. So magagawa at magagawa mo talaga yung mga skills.
That's a very good answer, ma'am. And how about, ma'am, to those nurses na hesitant naman mag-take ng NCLEX, ma'am? Because as we all know, there are really a lot of nurses here in the Philippines, ma'am, na ay, yes, gusto kong mag-American dream, no? Gusto kong maabot
Mhm.
yung American dream ko. However, I'm really doubtful in taking the NCLEX, ma'am. What can you say to them naman po?
Ah, ako kasi ganun na ganun ako. As in, before pa ako sinasabihan mag-take ng NCLEX, ang lagi kong inisip, mahirap, baka bumaksak ako, eh, ang mahal. So, ang tip ko lang is be positive. Siyempre, gagastos ka na rin lang. O siguraduhin mo na gagalingan mo, magpo-focus ka sa review at papasa ka talaga. Bali, with Town, talagang pumasok kasi ako sa kanila. I have, ano na eh, NCLEX na. Pero sa IELTS, yun naman, as in, super tutok din sila. Super, ang laki din ng itulong nila sa IELTS sa akin. So, with NCLEX naman, wala namang exam na madali. So, lahat kailangan paghirapan, kailangan aralin. Pero now, seeing that, yung trend, sobrang dami nang pumapasa. So, ang saya na sobrang dami nang pumapasa na nurses ng NCLEX. Ibig sabihin, ang gumaganda na yung way nila ng pag-take ng exam kasi it's about test-taking strategies din eh. Hindi naman siya patalinuhan. Hindi masusukat yung pagiging nurse mo kung pumasa ka or bumaksak ng NCLEX. And if you fail, you could always try again. Syempre, ayaw lang natin mag-fail at magastos. Syempre, the stress of taking the NCLEX again. So, pero be positive. Be positive na papasa kayo, na i-claim nyo na this is for me. Kasi kung hindi kayo magta-try, hindi nyo malalaman, ay, ganun lang pala yung NCLEX. So, kung i-compare mo sa Philippine Board, 500 questions si Philippine Board exam. Before, hindi ko alam kung hanggang ngayon ganun pa din siya. With NCLEX, you can stop at 75 and the most is 150. So, and may mga case studies pa na halos same yung questions, just different manner of asking. So, kaya nyo yan, kaya nating lahat ito.
Tama po kayo dyan, ma'am, no? Just take the leap lang din, ma'am, no? Talagang think
Mhm.
positive. And
Yeah.
yan, abot din po yung American dream talaga in the nearest future. And ma'am, in your case, ma'am, siguro ang follow-up question ko po with that, ma'am, is you have mentioned earlier, ma'am, na you are with your dependents right now, ma'am.
Mhm.
Tama, ma'am, no? Upon
Yeah.
arrival, kasabay nyo na sila. Ma'am,
Mhm.
what were your, kumbaga, ma'am, adjustment period na kasama mo na agad yung family mo? May I know, ma'am, sino po ang kasama natin dyan na dependents?
With my
Husband.
husband and two kids.
Husband and two kids. Ma'am, what
So,
were your...
we're a family of four.
Mhm. Ayun po. So, para sa mga nurses natin, I know maraming curious po, no? Kaya naman po ba ng isang family of four ang manirahan sa USA? And what were your adjustment at the time, ma'am, na kakapunta nyo pa lang sa USA?
Kaya ko talaga hinanap yung Town Kids or yung company na nasa New Jersey because meron kaming sister-in-law na nasa New Jersey. So, number one talaga na nakatulong sa amin is yung sister-in-law ko. Dahil, syempre, darating ka dito, lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat palabas. So, yung pocket money mo, as in, ano mo talaga, expect mo na spend, spend, spend. Yun talaga yung beginning ng journey. Pero kaya siya. Ako with me, it's easier kasi meron akong relative. Pero, dun sa mga wala, ang laking help nung staff house. Kasi nag-try din ako mag-staff house during the training period kasi wala pa kaming apartment. So, during the training period, 1 week yun, libre lahat eh. Wala ka nang gagawin. Kakain, yung food nga, minsan may bigay din sila. So, gagalingan mo na lang sa training para mabigay ka talaga sa'yo agad yung align na patient. Then, sila may sagot ng kuryente, sila yung may sagot ng tubig, ng heater, parang yung house. Tapos comfortable din kaming magkakasama dun ng mga kabatch ko. So number one talaga na sobrang helpful yung staff house. Kaya yung dun sa mga ibang parating, i-maximize talaga nila. Pero dun lang yun sa mga may single na pupunta. Pero sa mga with families, reach out sa other nurses na nandito na. Sobrang laking tulong ng other nurses. As in, yung may community dito talaga. Like dito sa apartment complex namin, we're like 50 town families na nakatira dito lang sa apartment complex namin. Tas sobrang dali lang lahat. Kasi tuturuan nila kayo step by step uh, sa pagkuha ng car, sa pagkuha ng apartment, sa pag-enroll ng kids sa school. So, ang daming mapagtatanungan. Kailangan mo lang talaga mag-reach out. And doon pa lang sobrang supportive na ni Town.
Thank you so much for that answer, ma'am, no? And if ever, ma'am, how about your ano naman po, to your kids' welfare? Okay naman po ba yung, kumbaga, support na natatanggap nila from Town Kids, ma'am?
Sa kids, siguro, um, sa government pa lang kasi malaki na yung support eh.
Mhm.
Kaya parang hindi ganun kalaki yung need ng mga kids na uh, kailangan nila from town. Pero ang maganda lang doon is si Miss Jazz during training, siya yung nagturo sa amin ng, oh, you should go to gantong facility. Diyan nyo ipapagawa yung mga labs or immunization ng kids nyo para ma-enroll na sila sa school, then you're gonna get free insurance. Yung ganon, yung ganong help yung naibigay nila sa amin. Parang kung paano namin mas mapapadali yung enrollment and insurance ng kids doon.
So parang kumbaga overall, ma'am, no, in all aspect of your life or your stay in the US, ma'am, parang nasuportahan po kayo ni Town
Yes.
Kids. That's good to know,
Mhm.
ma'am. Ma'am, and with this, ma'am, may I know in what ways naman po has Town Kids made a meaningful impact on your life and your family's future?
Number one talaga yung pagdala sa amin dito. Yun talaga yung number one. Kasi uh, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity. Kasi pwede naman i-abandon na nila kami during the retrogression. That's 3 years na walang nurses na pumapasok from the Philippines to US. And then, nung nagtuloy-tuloy na nga, nag-current na and all, talagang hindi sila bumitaw. Talagang sila yung mangungulit sa'yo, magpa-follow up sa'yo. Ipagawa mo na to, ipagawa mo na yan. Hanggang sa aalis ka na. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung support. At ang maganda with them is tulungan yung US team and yung Philippine team. So, dun sa part na yun, parang hindi ka alone. Parang lagi kami matatawagan.
I mean, that's true. That's evident din naman po, ma'am, no? Since, ayun nga po, I'm here now in the Philippines and you
Mhm.
are there in the USA, ma'am. So with that, I would like to thank you again for accepting this interview. And ayun nga, this shows din sa mga nanonood po dyan ngayon, no? How, the teamwork, kumbaga, with the Philippines and the US team po na nangyayari po is very evident then right now here in town, kids. So with this, ma'am, we are actually going to our last two questions na lang po, no?
Yes.
If if in any case, ma'am, would you recommend town kids to your friends, colleagues, Filipino nurses?
Ako, I would recommend. Nag-recommend na nga ako eh. Pero, I would recommend kasi sa experience ko naman, I'm not talking about others' experiences. Yung sarili ko lang, yung akin lang talaga to. Okay sila eh. Okay siya sa akin. So, nag-work siya for me. And I'm hoping na dun sa mga i-refer ko or dun sa na-refer ko na, mag-work din sa kanila. Kasi lahat naman tayo, we want yung, kung ano yung mas best para sa kanila. So, kami, okay na kami, nandito na kami, and I hope sila rin in a coming years or sana months, makarating din sila dito.
Right. So with this, ma'am, going to my last question po, ma'am. Do you trust town kids and why po?
Ako, oo. I trust naman Town Kids na hindi nila kami talaga iiwan for 3 years of contract na bibigyan kasi the patients is scheduled. So, alam ko dun sa 3 years na yon hindi ako mawawalan ng patient. Kasi ganun yung trust ko kay Tao na they won't let na mawalan kami ng income. Lalo na yung income namin dito is weekly. So, malaking bagay kapag nawalan ka ng weekly budget. So I know na they won't allow or they won't let that happen na mawawalan kami ng budget for the week. So big help talaga yun for us, for the family.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the experiences, ma'am, and the story you shared with us. And I think, ma'am, that's the last na po of our
Thank
questions. Again,
you.
thank you so much, ma'am, for this, for accepting the interview and for showing our nurses right there, no, na talagang kayang-kaya po, no, kaya-kaya po nating
Mhm.
ma-deploy in the USA, ma-achieve ang American dream, and of course, mamuhay po, no, sa USA.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you have any shout out or messages you'd like to send sa family niyo, ma'am, here in the Philippines or sa mga nurses po out there?
Hi, Chanko Penales family. And sa aking DOH, Department of Health Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, Tagaytay. Yan, my farmer company. Hello!
Thank you so much. Again, please do welcome. Let's welcome Miss Madeline Penales. Ayan, and sa susunod po ulit na ating interview, Miss Madeline.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, everyone. Ayan, this has been Rachel Ohastro, Marketing Specialist of Town Kids, and we'll see you in our next interview. Bye-bye po.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.